Hey there, it's Laura Jean. I want to do a quick review on this PowerLife plant protein. So this is the chocolate flavor, and it comes in this 15 serving little container. Now each serving is 100 calories, which is 1 scoop, and each scoop delivers 15 grams of protein. Now what I especially like about this is very low carb. It has 4 carbs but 3 grams of dietary fiber, so 1 net carb per serving. So if you're on a low carb diet, this is a great protein supplement. So I love these in my smoothies. That's primarily how I use this. So I'm going to make one of my favorite smoothies with these right now. So I'm going to start this out with some almond milk, which I love. Empty that one out. A little bit of OJ. I think creamsicle. It actually works, believe it or not. Then we're going to throw in half a banana. We're going to do a scoop of our protein powder. Boom. I like a little bit of spinach in there. Try to get some greens in. And probably going to need a little bit more juice in there to get that to blend properly. And finally, just a couple of strawberries. And there we go. A yummy smoothie. The protein powder I think is very chocolatey and tastes great. And I say at the end of the day, this is a really nice option, especially if you are vegan. I really like this. I've been using it for a while, and think you should give it a try.